Hey folks, Farmer Joe here. I'm going to do a quick unpacking video to show you all of the cuts you can expect when you purchase a half a pig from our family farm. So let's get right into it. If you purchase a half a hog, it's going to usually arrive in about 2 of our boxes. If we're shipping it to you, it will arrive in our insulated boxes. If we're delivering it to you in our local region, it will probably arrive in a little bit different shaped box without the insulation. So in our first box here, we have lots of our popular breakfast sausage. Our bulk breakfast sausage is a staple item in our house. Our boys love our breakfast sausage every morning. So we cook up a lot of this in our household. Typically on your half a hog, again, this all depends on the size of your hog. It's going to be anywhere from 8 to 12 packages of the breakfast sausage. Then it's going to include also some of the bratwurst. The bratwurst are 5 links to the package. And so you can expect, again, probably another 10 to 12 packages of that. Yeah, they just keep coming out. Our kids love the brats, by the way, also. I have to say sausage is probably the most popular item for our children in our household. Then it's going to include some of the smoked ham roast. The smoked ham roast is delicious. It's perfect for, one of your special dinners. We do like to also, though, just cook them up, and it makes a great meal anytime. So it usually includes a couple of those. It may also include some of our ham steaks, a handful of those, and then the best, bacon. I mean, come on, our bacon is to die for. It's literally like candy. Once you start eating it, you get hooked and you can't stop eating it. Typically you'll get about another 8 to 10, 12 packages of bacon. Our bacon, our sausages, our ham, all of it is no nitrates, no MSG, and sugar-free. Those are all things that are very important to us. We are all about helping people in their health journey and being healthier. And so if we can help you stay on your diet of no sugar and no chemicals or anything, that's what we're all about. And so that's why we specialize in producing very clean ingredient, further processed sausages and smoked items. Okay, let's get into what is in our second box. Oh, we got some more sausage here in the second box. Spare ribs. Spare ribs are a great item you can throw in the slow cooker. I love ribs. Shoulder roast. The shoulder roast are definitely a favorite in our house that go quick. Hannah loves to throw those in the slow cooker, make pulled pork or carnitas. Usually you get 2 to 3 of those pork shoulder roast. It also includes a pork loin roast. The loin roast comes from the loin of the animal, so it is a little higher value roast meat. Definitely makes a little more nicer occasion type meal. And then pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin is delicious. Then my favorite, it looks like that's what we got left in here, is lots of pork chops. These pork chops, our customers rave about our pork chops. I mean, they just say how much different they taste than anything they've ever bought in from the store. The biggest comment we get is the color. The color is such a brighter red color. It's not white like the ones you buy at the store. They taste delicious. There you have it, folks. Here's your half a hog. So you can see a nice abundant spread of meat to fill your freezer. Lots of pork, lots of breakfast sausage, brats, ham, bacon, shoulder roast, tenderloin, and then my favorite, all these pork chops. Usually get around 10 to 12 packages of these boneless pork chops. Beautiful pork chops, delicious. Appreciate you watching the video. We look forward to filling your freezer with all this delicious meat. Go ahead and place your order above and select your harvest date on when you want to have us deliver your half a hog share to your home. Thank you very much, and God bless.